All right, there you go. Don't lean forward.
That's you, Mommy. What is it from?
It is from grandfather and grandmother, and if you start here, oh,
Goodness.
it's a family affair. There you go.
Keep lifting. There you go. Good job.
What is it? It's a video, I think. It's a video! Yay, babies! Yay, babies.
What kind of video is it? Woo! What is it?
Exciting time.
Exciting times.
It's a difference. Yeah. Open it.
No, not yet.
Are you gonna go pick another one?
Present. Wish I'd got her holding it up.
Yeah.
All right, Jenny, let her get us started. Can you do it?
Okay.
Open your Ooh, another video.
Oh, Jenny, come on.
Look what this one is.
Sesame Street.
It's Sing Hoot Now. That's from Aunt Katie. You like Sesame Street, don't you?
Let me see, Reedy. Show me.
Can you show Mommy?
Sesame Street.
Sesame Street.
All right, go. You want to go get another gift? Is this fun?
Where are we at?
This one.
Lucy.
Lucy Hush.
Oh, yay!
I heard
Oh,
that.
oh, me too. Mine. The same one as Jenny.
Yeah.
It's the same one, Jenny. You already have one. It's the same one.
Now you guys can match,
Mine.
Jenny. Yours is upstairs.
Oh,
Oh, be careful, Jenny.
here, one more. Okay. Okay. Oh,
Whoa.
It's singing time and dancing time.
oh,
This one's from grandmother and grandfather.
oh. Oh. It's for Mimi.
It's a game.
It's called Chicken Cha Cha Cha.
Pretty cool. You're using some new games, huh?
Open.
Oh, not quite yet. Here we go. His tiles like Catan. It's like a mini Catan. Let me do
You got it?
amazing.
Good. You got it.
That one from Mama Jan. Mama Jan and Grandpa.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, at the top. Toys. Toys.
Hi.
Oh, toys. The truck. The truck.
Is that the one you wanted?